Yo, 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 mga kabayan. What's up? Ako si Ryan.
And I'm Cheska, ready to vibe with you all.
Balik sa inyong earbuds para sa isang fresh drop ng
Kabayan Connect! Episode 9 na tayo, and for this round, hindi lang tungkol sa wika. We're diving deep sa puso ng ating bansa, ang dagat na nag-uugnay sa bawat isla. September is Maritime and Archipelagic Nation Awareness Month, or MANAMO, with the theme, Nagkakaisang Kapuluan, Panatag na Karagatan. Big vibes, di ba?
Super big! Parang gentle tap sa atin na kahit saan ka man nag-aabang desert crew dito sa Dubai or island kid sa Pinas, same roots tayo. 7,641 islands na nakaband sa isang massive ocean. Literal na island squad goals.
Think about it. Kapuluan isn't just a map. Para itong playlist ng soul natin. Iba't ibang beats, per one fire drop. The sea is that background track you don't skip. Steady, constant, and life-giving.
Facts! Our ocean is like the ultimate cloud storage. Diyan nakasave ang history ng ancestors nating legit seafarers, mga barter OGs, mga freedom fighters. Every wave is like a DM from the past, reminding us who we really are.
Share ko lang, first time kong magbangka papuntang mini island sa Quezon. Biglang nag-sync yung heartbeat ko sa alon. Like legit goosebumps. Para kang nag-log in ulit sa Filipino core memory.
Same! Every time na naaamoy ko yung alat ng hangin sa Batangas, instant teleport to childhood mode. Kahit nasa Dubai tayo ngayon, dala natin yung sea energy sa bawat boodle fight at bawat Taglish convo.
Pero kabayan, real talk. Kung ang dagat ang nagko-connect sa atin, paano natin siya nile-level up? With climate change, overfishing, plastic trash, are we even doing enough para chill pa rin ang karagatan for the next gen?
Exactly. Panatag na karagatan isn't just smooth waves for the gram. It's a safe, ocean, clean vibes, equal access, every reusable cup, every beach clean up, TikTok, and every convo about marine life, tiny moves, pero mega impact yun.
Game plan. Start small but steady. Skip single-use plastics. Support sustainable seafood. Share legit info on socials. Yes, even that fire infographic sa IG stories, that counts.
Teach the kiddos, your anak, your pamangkin, your baby cousins, why the ocean slaps different. Once they know the backstory, sila na ang next wave warriors. Small moves and big splash, di ba?
End of the day, we're not just island peeps. We're ocean keepers. Our unity as a kapuluan is the cheat code para panatag ang karagatan.
So mga kabayan, let's keep the ocean convo trending. Stream this episode and the rest of this series sa Spotify page ng Philippine Consulate General in Dubai. From language to lagoons, from memories to futures, we stay connected. We stay woke.
Laging konektado, laging kabayan.
Panatag ang puso, panatag ang karagatan.
See you sa next episode of
Kabayan
Connect!